What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's trading live session, I'm going to be showing you how I use the rolling trend strategy to make profit from binary options. So the aim is that by watching me make these trades real time, and you see how I interpret rather the signals from the indicators, you'd be able to understand that yourself and you'll be able to make profit yourself using the same strategy. Anyways, let's get right into the video. I'll explain everything in detail so you can properly understand. So guys, today I'm going to be using these sets of indicators. We have our Bollinger Bands, we also have our fractals with a period of 5, and the RSI indicators with periods of 7 and 15, with levels at 70 and 30. So the trades will be running on the 1 minute time frame as usual, and we'll be taking our first trade with $40. As you see, I've already selected the assets we're using for today above with the best payout percentages and also the best chart movements. Let's see if we can get our first asset and we'll start trading for the day.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay guys, so we just took our first trade, a long trade, and we took this after observing the pullback dynamics. So in this one, I'm really following the oscillator with a period of 7, which is showing an intersection from the oversold area. I'm expecting there to be an upward movement. So we're seeing higher upward volumes and there's an uptrend gradually forming. Even if this was not the best entry, I kind of should have waited for this candle to complete entirely. I still believe that this will be a profit. I still believe that the movement will go in our favor due to the prolonged pullback that we have over here. Yeah, around 7 candles indicated a pullback trend, and yeah, I opened the trade for long, hoping that there will be a reversal just right here. Perfect, guys. So we are in a profit for our first trade. That's amazing. Let's just update the trade amount and we'll get the next trade going. Okay guys, so for this one we opened a short trade, as you can see, and then there was a pullback during the upward trend. Before this, you can see there was a strong upward breakout, and even though the Bollinger Band wasn't touched yet, which would have made this entry a lot safer, I kind of relied on the oscillators. So it's signaling a reversal from the overbought areas. And based on the continuation of this pullback dynamics, I opened a short trade, guys. So for this one, really dependent on the oscillators to give us the signal. Let's see how this plays out. Awesome, guys. Awesome, guys. So our second trade is in a profit as well. We're building momentum. Let's set our trade amount again to the maximum, and then we'll click on the next asset to trade.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
Okay, guys, so we just took our next trade, and we can see we took a long position. During this pullback, we're trying to make some profit. We can see that the global structural minimum has been updated, and there's been a couple of touches on the Bollinger Band as well. So we're opening the trade only because we observed an exit from the oversold areas. So both of the oscillators are indicating an upward trend, and that's why we took this. They're both leaving the oversold areas, which is giving us an upward bias. Let's see how this one plays out, guys. Just perfect, guys. Just amazing. Uh, this is a very good day. I'm just gonna open the next trade for the maximum amount again, and let's pick the next asset. We don't have a very big balance today, so that's why I'm not really skeptical about opening for the maximum balance. Even if we lose, it won't be too risky for me. Let's find our next asset. Okay, guys, so here we're opening a short position during the pullback. We're trying to get some profits from there. I'm kind of expecting a theoretical exit from the overbought areas on both oscillators. So in addition to that, we can also see that the Bollinger Band has been touched, which is satisfying the necessary conditions for our trade. And I'm seeing an exit from the overbought area. There's also no impulsive upward movement around the oscillators at this point. And before this, two candlesticks showed strong up momentum. So I'm confident that there won't be any, further upward movement, because I feel like that momentum has already been played out. So we should get a downward movement after that. Let's see how this ends. Perfect. Perfecto, guys. We are in a profit again. We're on a streak today. Let's keep that going. Okay, I'm not going to open for the maximum amount this time because we already have enough profits. Let's just open for $40, $43, and look for another opportunity to make money from this market. Okay, guys, so here I'm opening a long trade, and I might open a second position actually, because this is a very, very good entry point. For this one, I'm mainly focusing on the Bollinger Bands for this entry. And so we can see over here, over the past data, that there's multiple bounces of this level. And also the oscillator is indicating a reversal from the oversold area, which is, which is, how can I say that, pushing me to take a buy trade here. Yeah, I just took another one because this is a very strong entry. I'm trying to catch the momentum. Let's see if the breakout we're looking for is going to occur. Come on, come on, come on. So the first one was in a loss, but I have a strong feeling this additional trade will be in a profit, guys. Hopefully we're able to catch the momentum. This is kind of close. This is very risky at this point. Perfect, guys. That was a close one, but the additional trade was able to lock in a profit. That is just amazing. Today has been an excellent day. We had only one loss, but we were able to even cover that back up with the last trade. And today's profits total is $920. Guys, today was amazing. And that's basically how I use the Bollinger Bands with the oscillator indicators to make money from the market. This is a trend based strategy, and it is very, very effective, just as you've seen. If you have any questions, drop in the comments. I'd love to help you to better understand this strategy. And also leave a link to my Telegram group if you're new to binary options and you want to get more info on that. Make sure to hit me up, subscribe, and like this video if it helped you. And I'll see you next time. Peace.